Can you imagine a convicted felon, si Franz Castro, debating on matters of law with a former Supreme Court Associate Justice and Ombudsman? That is the absurdity of our situation now. Namamayagpag itong mga communist front organizations. Do you know that after Chairman Cardema was removed from the National Youth Commission, that the Kabataan Party List entered into a MOA with the National Youth Commission, nakapasok na naman yung mga dubious organizations linked to the communist insurgency. Kaya hindi ko maintindihan itong gobyernong ito eh. Just so they can have a broad alliance against the Dutertes, they are willing to ride the dragon's tail and ally themselves with these dangerous institutions and organizations. Nababawasan na nga yan eh. Matatapos na sana yung oldest communist insurgency in the world. Ngayon, yan, namamayagpag na naman yung kanilang mga surrogates, yung kanilang mga puppets sa both in the House and in NGOs.